So many people asking what is the difference between the railings that we have for the helmet. You notice one is bigger, one is smaller. The curve, the shape all different. So one is for the PES, GAT and the SCF older helmets made in India. Your new helmet, if it's made in India, you have to go for the first one. The second one is for those helmets that are made in Korea. So the shape is slightly different. You buy wrong, you don't use lah, we change for you the new one. So the cheap one, last time we encountered, the cheap one can flex. So the problem caused by that flexing for the cheap one is when you mount your ear muff, you mount your goggle or whatever onto the railing, because it's so soft, it flex and then your ear muff pop, drop off. So no choice, have to pay a bit more for the good quality one. Anyway, it's only $20. What the heck, man.